What are you telling him?
I erased him. And then he's like, are we not friends anymore? And I was like,
We never were.
that's right, I deleted you.
Brittany, are you playing solitaire?
She's such a geeky.
Oh Lord, and she's got her Georgia Tech shirt on and her glasses. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh, is it a camera? You're just jealous of it.
No, it's not a camera.
Like, it's a video.
I didn't know.
what I meant? Camera.
I didn't know that. Gabby, you can't be the first to fall asleep because you're gonna suffer.
Yes, you are.
You guys do anything, Timmy will be hell the next morning.
We're leaving
Yeah, and I
early.
gotta go mudding with her, so or whatever we're doing.
Apparently, I think me and you are riding four-wheelers instead of getting in a truck and going.
That's okay, I can do that.
Yeah.
I want to call out tomorrow so bad.
Me too. I want to get my lip pierced.
I have nothing to do tomorrow.
Do I have to?
We should all just stay here.
We should all party when they're away.
I'll clean your room.
I could call out, but I don't want to.
You don't want, but you said you
I
wanted
want
to.
but I don't want to. Like, I want to because then I'll just have another free day. But then,
It's not like they need you.
It's nice.
well, yeah, but I'm working like Sunday and then Monday and then Tuesday and then Monday I'm babysitting too, so I'm like making double money.
Well, we should hang out.
But
I had nothing to do either, so.
Let's go swimming.
so should I call
Right now?
out? Oh, I don't want to call like
Yeah, right.
wake me up at 8 in the
minutes,
morning and
5
I'm gonna
minutes
call
right
this
there.
lady. Oh, I don't think she's gonna want to work.
Maybe be careful when swimming at night.
Cause like she just told me that she wanted me to work for her.
I kind of want to go outside, like in your
I only
driveway.
get one Saturday a month,
We should go
so
sleep
it's like
off.
my only Saturday I'm gonna.
We should go
No.
walking.
No.
Yeah.
Y'all are
We should.
No.
You live in a small town. You live on a.
saying?
We should what?
Go walking.
We can take my car. We can put it in neutral and roll it down the hill.
That'd be awesome. I'd push it.
It's got a silent engine. You can't even hear it. I promise.
You know how fun that would be?
No.
I've never
And
snuck out
I'd get it all on video. I don't have to sneak out. I just
Probably
leave.
holds 5 people. There's
We
6.
can, well, we're little.
Well, you're used to smushing.
I'm just listening.
It's not because you're Mexican either. No, I'm kidding.
Because you're a clown.
What do you think of that?
a clown car.
She never let me see the message, and I'm going to see it. I'm gonna tell you.
Hey,
Remember that time
hey.
Remember
We have the batteries.
that time at dinner that I was running because I got Kayla wet, and then she tackled me down? That was so fun. And I was like, ah! Let me see.
I'm being
Let me see.
nice.
Andrea, will you hand me my batteries? So,
So.
I've had these batteries in here for like 3 weeks and they're not dead yet. But it's showing,
Watch it just go like,
it's showing that little battery thing, so I probably need some medicine.
medicine.
Ow, that gave myself a freaking paper cut.
Ask another question.
What time do you think?
Where do you want to go to
go?
college in Georgia? For what? I want to go to
We already went over that.
Where does Adam live?
Stringer Road. Go all the way to that road. Take a,
Okay, don't tell me precisely.
Just give her a vicinity.
about 3 minutes away.
Jeez. Late night booty calls.
on Melissa, right?
Kind of bad.
Alyssa
Not really.
lives in the big white house on the big green hill. Does she not?
Yeah.
Alyssa lives in the big white house on the big green hill.
With a big blue pool.
I'm about to say that.
With a big little sister.